Hi there, this is Taking the Biz. It's a channel for A-level business students just like yourselves. First time watcher, why wouldn't you subscribe? In this tutorial, we're gonna investigate the different classifications of profit that we might come across when we're analyzing a business's financial accounts. We're going to put a link in the top hand corner to a video on how to calculate profit and the different uses of profit. But in this, we're really going to have a look at the different classifications of profit, on what differentiates each of them and how they might be calculated. So the starting point for viewing profit is to have a look at a term called sales revenue, which is literally the sum of money that the firm has generated from selling all of its goods and services. And it really is the figure that allows us to calculate all of our different measures of profit in the organisation. So our first measure of profit is what's known as gross profit. And in order to calculate that, we're going to take our sales revenue figure, and from that we're going to deduct the business's cost of sales, or its direct costs. Essentially, all we're going to take away from the sales revenue figure is the cost of producing whatever the organisation sells, the cost of manufacturing their goods or their services, the cost of buying in all of the stock, or the wages for the manufacturing staff that produce them. So when you take away those direct costs of producing your goods and services from your sales revenue, it leaves you with a profit figure that's known as gross profit. But firms don't get to keep all of their gross profit. They've got other costs that they will have to pay throughout the course of a year as well. Now, those other indirect costs, sometimes referred to as expenses, perhaps even referred to as overheads, might include things like salaries. It may include things like advertising costs, training costs. When we take away all of those additional costs, it leaves us with what's known as the firm's operating profit. And operating profit is a truer reflection of the final amount of profit that firms may be able to distribute to shareholders or retain in the business, because it's taken away more of our costs. So gross profit really shows us how much profit is left over after the manufacturing process, whereas operating profit shows us how much profit we have when we've taken away all of our other costs inside the organisation as well. However, firms will normally go a stage further than that, and they will either add in or subtract any interest that the firm has accrued during the course of a year. So that might be interest that the firm has had to pay, or more commonly it might be interest that the firm has actually received on any funds that they have had in their bank accounts during the course of the year. And at this stage, we're also going to factor in the firm paying tax. So it's going to pay corporation tax to the government at 20% of its operating profit figure. So we're going to take that away as well, and that's going to leave us our final level of profit, which is known as the profit for the year. Now, this really is the baseline figure for the organisation. We've taken away all of our different costs, all of our different expenses. We've even factored in the tax and the interest that we may have paid and received as well. And so this profit for the year figure shows us how much the firm has at the end of the year that can then be utilised, either retained in the organisation for growth and expansion, or distributed to our shareholders as their reward for owning a stake in the organisation. So quick video, that one shows us our different levels of profit, our different classifications of profit. There is a chance we may be asked to calculate those in our examinations. More likely though, we may get presented with financial documents with those terms in, and we'd need to understand what these different measures of profit actually take into account. Good luck with your ongoing revision. Keep on working hard and keep on taking the biz.